Parents, on the 6th of January, we are holding a PTM. We would like each one of you to come for this PTM, and this PTM is a whole day PTM from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you can come in any time to talk to us about the progress of students and what NSBT as an institution is doing. But while we talk in more detail in PTM about each student, I would like to give you some short tidbits over here today. Number one, you have the possibility yourself to check the attendance of student on ERP. If you don't know how to do this, ask your son or daughter, or come and ask any of our faculties. They will be able to help you out on this. Also, this year in 2024, we are launching new specially made assignment books, exercise books, homework books, practical books for our students. These will be made available in the library at a price which is better than the price in which they are available at the market. So please encourage all your children to only buy NSBT exercise books in the future. I would also strongly recommend to you that you must join the NSBT WhatsApp channel for parents. When you come to us on 6th of January, please do remember to talk to our faculty on how this should be joined, so that you will get all updates from NSBT on your phone instantly. NSBT is trying hard, being very active in updating you about all the activities which are happening here, which are happening with the students. We are sending you regular emails on this, but we are not getting enough responses. We are not getting acknowledgements of the same. So we don't know whether you are reading them or you are ignoring them. If you are ignoring them, it is my humble request to you, please do read them. There are important things which you would want to know about NSBT, so that you and us together can help the students. So please make it a point that you read all the emails, you go through our login, and you go through the WhatsApp channel for parents also. Some of our students have been really poor in attendance. We have followed up with them, but their responses have been slow. Our faculty has made it a point to meet their parents, to go to their homes and convince them that this is not the right way. And I'm sure you know this is not the right way. So I would recommend you very strongly that please inspire your children. Be a friend to them. Whether their attendance is low or high, it doesn't matter. Be a friend to your child. When you are a friend to your child, you break many barriers, and when you break many barriers, there is more spirit in the relationship. All of us at NSBT would recommend that bring an open, clean, clear atmosphere, not only at the place where students study, but also at our homes. With a lot of happy wishes, abundant wishes for a very peaceful and prosperous 2024 year from all of us at NSBT. Namaste.